All right. Have you ever ordered a ride or the driver couldn't find you, or you used Google Map and it showed you on the wrong side of the street, or even maybe an app keeps asking for your location but still gets it wrong? That's not the app's fault. It's usually your location accuracy settings. Today I'll show you how to improve location accuracy on any phone. So maps, ride hailing like Uber, delivery, fitness, and emergency apps work properly. I'll demonstrate on my Galaxy S25 Ultra as always, and I'll also show what to do on other Android phones and iPhones. So on Samsung, on this phone, you go to settings and you go to location. You go here to location and you make sure the location is turned on. Make sure this is turned on here. All right, and then you tap location services right there. You touch that and you enable Google location accuracy or just location accuracy. That. All right, and then you turn on you turn this on. Yeah, hold on, shit, I turned myself off. Damn. All right, you turn this on. Okay, and make sure to also turn on Wi-Fi scanning. These two actually, Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. So this allows your phone to use GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth together for more precise location, especially indoors or in busy areas. So also you can tap app location permission. Yeah, I made a different video on that, but you can go here to app location permission and you make sure if you were the you make sure, let me use map, you make sure to allow all the time or allow while using the app, in this case map. Okay, for other Android phones, if you're using another Android phone, the steps are very similar. You go to settings and you go to location and you turn location on. You look for location services, advanced, or location accuracy. You enable Google location accuracy, Wi-Fi scanning, and Bluetooth scanning. It's all the same way, right? If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar in settings and type location accuracy. So you can just go to settings and search location accuracy. All right, if you have iPhone, you go open your settings and you go to privacy and security. You tap location services, make sure location services is on. You tap system services, you turn on precise location. Also open an app like Maps or Uber, tap it, like you tap it, and under location services, make sure precise location is enabled for that app. So why does this matter? Improving location accuracy helps with correct directions in Google Maps or Apple Maps. It makes faster ride pickups, Uber, Bolt, Lyft. It has accurate food and package deliveries, fitness tracking and steps mapping, emergency services, finding you faster. So if your location is accurate, apps can't so if your location is inaccurate, right, apps can't work properly even if your internet is strong. So this is how to improve location accuracy on any smartphone. It takes less than a minute but makes a huge difference. So if this helped you, like, share, and follow for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.